So far, kamusta naman yung preparation? I believe so far so good in terms of sa tune-ups.
Okay naman. Yung mga storbo. Yung mga siguro biggest concern lang namin is maging healthy, no, lahat ng mga players namin. Si Keith Datu, parang ano siya, no, parang we're trying to manage yung health niya, but it's nothing serious. We're just trying to be safe, no, doon sa situation niya, para siguro looking at being able to get them healthy, no, before opening day. Nakakapag-practice naman sila, pero minamanage pa rin namin yung load nila sa practice. Si Stanley kakarating lang. So I think he's practiced with us for just 3 days, but he participated in at least two of our scrimmages. We're also trying to manage his minutes. He's still not 100%, of course, no, and parang ginagamay, ina-absorb pa lang niya talaga yung sistema namin. And then the rest of the guys, okay naman. Yung mga na-draft namin, they still have commitments. At least yung mga binigyan namin ng tender offer, they still have commitments with MPBL or sa college leagues, no, sa NCAA. But we're also looking forward to having si Luis Villegas play. But we're also being conservative in our approach. But I think we will see him play in this conference. Then the rest, palagay ko we're probably a bit more experienced, a bit more prepared, no, for this conference than we ever were before. Nakakatulong yung playoff experience, no, nakakatulong yun. Nag-accumulate naman yun, no, doon sa stock knowledge ng team. Wala naman kaming any major issues. We just want to be able to proceed smoothly, no, doon sa preparation namin. So far we've had 2 scrimmages. Looking good naman kami sa mga scrimmages. And we're hoping na mas healthy kami or walang any major issues on injuries or health this conference.
Coach, for the record na lang, sino yung rookies na bigyan nyo na ng tender offer? And then,
yung first rounders namin, si Christian Manaytay, si June Roque. We also gave a tender offer to Quahao, si Josh David, tsaka si Denver Omega. So yun.
Tapos hindi pa sila nag-report ever ngayon dito sa Rain or Shine, or
nag-report na sila. Sige, si June Roque nag-report na rito, si Josh nag-report na, si Denver, si Denver kasi may NCAA pa, no? And then si Quahao may NCAA pa rin. Christian Manaytay, I think nandito siya nung nandito siya nung before the draft. So Hindi naman kami nagmamadali with regards to those rookies.
Coach, how huge si Bo kasi may nag-post pa nga siya na parang happy siya na nakapalaro na siya ulit kahit tune up. Parang mukhang healthy na siya ulit.
Malaking bagay si Bo sa amin no? Kasi I think one of the pagkukulang namin or isa sa mga weaknesses namin sa team namin is yung mga bigs nga. When Bo's there, we're able to match up better with the bigs of the other team. So I'm sure natutuwa siya na healthy na siya. Mas natutuwa siguro kami kasi yung butas na naiwan niya no, dun sa gitna mapi-fill up na niya. At yung mentorship niya dun sa mga bata, malaking bagay din yun sa amin.
May tune up pa kayo, Coach? In the coming weeks?
Meron kaming exhibition game sa Ilagan, Isabela. So yung mga taga Isabela, mapapanood niyo po kami sa 20 Saturday. No, nandyan po kami para kalabanin namin sa exhibition game yung Meralco.
Kayo lang? Or
kami lang. Meralco at NLEX. Raynor Shine.